In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use hidden fields in Typeform and capture UTM fields easily. If you're looking to enhance the data collection capabilities of your forms, using hidden fields is a powerful technique. So, let's dive in and explore how you can set this up in just a few steps. First, head over to the Typeform website, your go-to destination for creating people-friendly forms and surveys. Once you're on the site, the next thing you need to do is click on the Login option. If you already have an account, this will take you to your Typeform workspace. If you're new, you'll have to sign up for an account first. But assuming we're dealing with existing users, let's continue from the login point. Once you've successfully logged into your account, you'll arrive at your Typeform workspace. This is your home base within Typeform, where all your forms and data reside. From here, navigate to the specific form where you'd like to add hidden fields. Choose the form by selecting it from your list of created forms. After selecting the form, you'll want to find the section labeled Workflow. Clicking this will bring up options for customizing how your form operates. Within the Workflow section, you'll see an option to Add URL Parameter. This is where the magic begins. URL parameters are key because they're how you pass data into your form from an outside source, like a marketing campaign link. Now, click on Add New Parameter. Each new parameter represents a piece of data you want to capture. A common use case for hidden fields is capturing UTM parameters, which are useful for tracking the effectiveness of online marketing campaigns. So, you could name your parameters something like UTM source, UTM medium, or UTM campaign. This way, anytime someone arrives at your form through a campaign link, Typeform can automatically grab these values and include them in your form responses. It's crucial that you name these parameters exactly how they appear in your URLs to ensure accurate data capture. After you've set up your parameters, make sure to save your form and publish any changes. That's it. In a few simple steps, you've enhanced your Typeform with hidden fields that can capture valuable data from your campaigns. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to using hidden fields in Typeform. By integrating these fields, you're not only making your form smarter, but also setting your marketing campaigns up for success by collecting insightful data with minimal effort. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials to make the most out of your Typeform experience.